Hello and welcome to your Scotland forecast for Saturday afternoon from the Met Office. Storm Ciara is going to hit, bringing wet and very windy weather across Scotland as we go through the weekend, but this will clear and then things will turn colder, bringing the risk of some sleet and snow as we start the new working week. Due to Storm Ciara, winds really picking up as we go through today and into tomorrow. As a result, we have a wind warning for the whole of Scotland all the way out until the end of Sunday. We could see gusts of 70 to 75 miles per hour, and that brings the risk of some flying debris, damage to buildings and some travel disruption as well. As we look towards Saturday afternoon, and you can see, well, it's a pretty decent picture, particularly for central and eastern parts of Scotland. Lots of sunny weather here, but in the west things are going to turn wet and windy as rain starts to push its way in. Temperatures likely to get to highs of 7 or 8 Celsius, but with the winds building, it is likely to feel quite a bit colder than that. Later on today, we are going to see that rain spilling across the whole of the UK, so a wet picture is in store. Some sleet or snow likely over higher ground. The rain lasting for longest towards southern parts of Scotland. That's where we're going to see the rain building, and so we could see the risk of some localised flooding here. Due to the wind and rain, for most of us, temperatures aren't going to fall particularly low, but towards the north, some colder air will start to feed its way in, so temperatures dropping a little bit here. Sunday is going to be a wet and windy day across the whole of Scotland, particularly through the morning. We will see heavy bursts of rain, could cause some flooding and also some difficult driving conditions, especially when you factor in those strong winds. The worst of the rain, though, should clear away towards the south by the afternoon. Things turning a little bit drier, perhaps a little bit brighter too, but lots of showers making their way in, and it is still going to be very windy. Temperatures quite a few degrees above average for the time of year, but we are going to see colder air coming its way in. As a result, temperatures will drop as we go through the day. As we look towards Sunday evening, then it's going to stay pretty showery, and with that colder air coming, we are going to see those showers readily falling as sleet or snow over mainly the higher ground, but perhaps to lower levels too, and that does bring the risk of some icy patches through Sunday night. Quick look towards Monday, then we continue to see that windy and showery weather pushing its way in from the northwest. As a result, we do have a wind and snow warning in force because we are likely to see some disruption with some difficult driving conditions in particular. Remember, you can keep up to date with the full forecast and all of the warnings that we have out in association with Storm Ciara on both the Met Office website, our app and all of our social media channels. I'll see you later.